Hello, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to Money Nation. Today, we're diving into the world of banking, uncovering 5 essential facts that everyone should know. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, these facts will help you navigate the banking landscape. Before we jump into these key insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more financial wisdom. Now, let's explore the fundamentals of banking. 1. Different types of banks. Our first fact is understanding the different types of banks. Banks come in various forms, from commercial banks that serve the general public to investment banks that focus on financial markets. There are also online banks, credit unions, and central banks, each with its specific functions and services. Knowing the types of banks will help you choose the right financial institution for your needs. In the financial landscape, banks wear different hats. You've got your commercial banks catering to the everyday Joe, investment banks playing with the big bucks in the financial markets, online banks making transactions a breeze, credit unions with a community vibe, and central banks pulling the strings behind the scenes. It's like a financial buffet. Know what's on the menu, and you'll make better choices for your money. Moreover, understanding the distinct roles of each type of bank empowers individuals to make informed decisions tailored to their financial goals and preferences. Whether it's the personalized service of a credit union or the global reach of an investment bank, aligning with the right institution enhances the overall banking experience. Additionally, the accessibility of online banks has revolutionized banking, providing convenience and flexibility. Online banks offer competitive interest rates at lower fees, making them an attractive option for those who prioritize digital banking solutions. Furthermore, the evolution of fintech has introduced innovative financial services, further expanding the options available to consumers. From peer-to-peer lending platforms to neobanks, the financial landscape continues to evolve, offering individuals a plethora of choices to meet their specific needs. 2. The importance of interest rates. Interest rates play a crucial role in banking. Whether you're saving money in a bank account or taking out a loan, understanding interest rates is key. The interest you earn on savings and the interest you pay on loans impact your overall financial picture. Stay informed about current interest rates to make informed decisions about your money. Let's talk interest rates, the unsung heroes or villains of the banking world, depending on which side of the coin you're on. Whether you're parking your cash in a savings account or taking the plunge into a loan, those interest rates are pulling the financial strings. It's like the heartbeat of your money. Keep it steady, and you're in good shape. Furthermore, delving into the nuances of interest rates, such as compound interest and annual percentage rates, APRA provides a comprehensive understanding of how these rates impact the overall cost and growth of your money. Keeping abreast of changes in interest rates ensures that you can adapt your financial strategy accordingly. Understanding the impact of interest rates on loans is crucial for making strategic financial decisions. Whether it's a mortgage, car loan, or personal loan, being aware of interest rates helps individuals choose the most cost-effective financing options. Moreover, exploring alternative investment options, such as certificates of deposit, CDs, or treasury bonds, allows individuals to leverage varying interest rates to optimize their overall financial portfolio. 3. FDIC and deposit insurance. Fact number 3. The FDIC, or Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, is a vital player in the banking system. The FDIC insures deposits in banks and thrifts, providing a safety net for depositors. This means that even if your bank were to fail, your deposits are protected up to a certain limit. It's essential peace of mind for anyone entrusting their money to a bank. Now, let's talk safety nets. The FDIC is like your money's superhero cape. If your bank takes an unexpected nosedive, the FDIC steps in to make sure your hard-earned dollars are safe and sound, up to a limit of course. It's like financial insurance, and who doesn't love a bit of financial security? Furthermore, understanding the limitations of FDIC insurance, such as coverage limits, ensures that individuals can make informed decisions about deposit placement and diversification. Exploring alternatives, such as spreading deposits across different banks, can further enhance the safety of funds beyond FDIC limits. Moreover, staying informed about the financial health of your bank including its capitalization and regulatory compliance, adds an extra layer of due diligence to safeguard your deposits. Utilizing tools like online banking platforms for regular account monitoring enhances your ability to stay abreast of your financial institution's status. 4. Understanding overdraft fees. Overdraft fees are a common pitfall for many account holders. It's our fourth fact to know about banks. When you spend more money than you have in your account, you may incur overdraft fees. Familiarize yourself with your bank's policies on overdrafts and consider setting up alerts to avoid these fees. Being aware of your account balance can save you from unexpected charges. Picture this. You're cruising through life and oops, you spent a bit more than you had in your account. Cue the dreaded overdraft fees. It's like an unexpected bill for not keeping tabs on your spending. Stay in the know about your account balance, set up those alerts, and dodge those pesky fees like a financial ninja. Moreover, exploring overdraft protection options offered by banks can provide an additional layer of defense against unexpected overdrafts. Whether it's linking accounts, setting up overdraft lines of credit, or utilizing mobile banking alerts, proactive measures can mitigate the impact of overdraft fees. Educating yourself about your bank's policies on overdrafts empowers you to make informed decisions about spending and managing your account. Utilizing budgeting tools and regularly monitoring your account balance adds an extra layer of protection against overdraft surprises. 5. Digital banking and security. Our final fact revolves around the digital age, digital banking and security. With the rise of online banking and mobile apps, managing your finances has never been more convenient. However, it's crucial to prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious about sharing personal information. Embracing digital banking can streamline your financial activities, but staying secure is paramount. Welcome to the digital era of banking, where you can manage your money from the palm of your hand. But hold up! Convenience comes with responsibility. Secure those digital doors with Fort Knox-level passwords. Throw in some two-factor authentication for good measure, and be as cautious with your personal info as you would with Grandma's secret cookie recipe. Digital banking's a game changer, but it's all about playing it safe. Moreover, exploring the features and benefits of digital banking platforms, such as mobile check deposits, budgeting tools, and real-time transaction alerts, enhances the overall efficiency of managing your finances. Familiarizing yourself with the security protocols implemented by your bank, such as encryption and fraud detection measures, ensures a safe digital banking experience. Were these banking facts helpful? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, hit that like button. Subscribe for more insights into financial literacy, and check out our other videos for additional tips on managing your money. There you have it, 5 essential facts you should know about banks. Appreciate you spending your time with us.